Hi guys, and welcome back to yet a weekly vlog. I haven't picked up the camera and vlogged in a very long time because I've mentioned this like 100 times. Me and Idol haven't been feeling well. We caught the big flu that's going on around, that everyone's got basically. So yeah, I'm just in like the recovery stage, alhamdulillah. So I thought I'd pick up the camera and vlog because so many of you guys have been like asking for me to vlog and stuff. So I miss vlogging, so I thought I would pick up the camera and vlog for you guys today. I'm in a rush, hence why I'm talking so fast. When am I never in a rush? That's the question. I'm just about to head down to my mum's house to see my mum and dad. My dad just came back from Dubai a couple of days ago, so I haven't got a chance to see him because obviously I wasn't well. So today morning I am gonna go drive down, pick up my sister, go to my mum's house, see my mum and dad, spend time with them, I don't know, chill for a little bit, and then I'll probably speak to you guys in a bit. But
a few moments later.
Okay, so I just made it home. I didn't really vlog today as much. Well, I didn't vlog at all actually, did I? Yikes. I didn't vlog because I was with my mum and dad and they don't really like to be on YouTube as such, so I didn't really want to vlog. But I had a nice catch up with my mum and dad. We went for a nice coffee, caught up on loads of stuff that's happening soon. You guys will probably see, inshallah. So yeah, there's quite a lot happening this well, soon. My dad's graduating. He's doing his masters or something like that. Yeah, he graduates tomorrow, so he came down. So yeah, it's all fun and games, and it's like nearly 2 o'clock, as you guys can see. And I'm gonna make myself some lunch because I'm quite peckish now. I'm feeling scrambled eggs. I haven't had scrambled eggs in like the longest time ever, so I feel like scrambled eggs might do me well now actually. But having said that, I have a massive pile of washing up to do, so that's sad. So that's what I'm gonna do first, do the massive pile of washing up and start with lunch really. So let's go. And now I have a massive pile of washing up, so wish me good luck, guys. Okay, so finally done, 10 years later. Now time to make my scrambled eggs. I'm hungry and I am looking forward to it. Lunch is served, people. I made some scrambled eggs and a lot of cherry tomatoes, and that is what I'm gonna have for lunch, and obviously drink my water. But I am so looking forward to it. I haven't had scrambled eggs in like the longest time ever, so This lighting looks a bit yellow, doesn't it? 1 second. Oh, ooh, a lot better actually. So behind me I've got 2 big packages that just came. Actually, one's big, one's huge, and one is small. But I got some few packages. I just literally got it delivered right now. My neighbor just knocked on the door and she was like, hey, you missed some packages, so I took it for you. So thank you, you're so sweet. Like, I've got the best neighbors ever, alhamdulillah. But anyways, my voice, I thought I would pop you guys somewhere and open the box together and see what I got. The first delivery I got is in this small package. I opened it up, I was like, what the hell is this? It's from like, I don't know, from the USA. So I was like, oh my god, I'm so excited, what the hell is it? And then I opened it up and it's this really nice face mask. Oh my god, I am in need of a new face mask because my Himalayan charcoal mask from the Body Shop just finished, which I was very sad. But I've got this now, so it's all good. This is the Pink Perfect Australian Pink Clay Mask. It detoxifies and brightens up your skin, which by all means I need right now. But this is perfect. It's cruelty free and vegan, which is amazing. I'm all up for that. And then this huge box just came. Let's see what's in here. I'm very excited. Wow, it's actually massive. Oh, it looks so nice. It says thank you on the package, which is really sweet. Okay, so this is from PUCKALONDON. I don't know if I'm saying this correct, I might say it so wrong, but it's called PUCKALONDON.com, and this is where it's from, so you guys can screenshot this. But yeah, they've got so much lovely stuff. But yeah, look how nice. It says fresh scarves. How beautiful. Oh my god, I'm well excited. Oh my god, black scarf. I love black scarves. This is perfect. It's kind of like a chiffon style hijab. I haven't got a black scarf in the chiffon material. I just got it in this cotton material. So this is perfect. It's gonna look really, really nice. So thank you so much. I've also got this massive thing. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Look how nice this is, guys. Oh my god, this actually looks so nice. Look at the hood for starters. Oh my god, this is perfect. Oh my god, this hood is gold, literally. Yeah, thank you to all the brands who sent me stuff. I'll leave everything linked down below for you guys, but you guys should definitely check them out and have lovely stuff. So yeah, thank you to all the brands who sent me stuff. I'm so excited to definitely start this out. So keep your eyes peeled for like a nice Instagram post coming your way soon. Actually, my skin needs it so bad now that I thought I would actually do the face mask now. So I'm going to take off all my lovely makeup and try the face mask, because like around my nose and stuff, like my skin is getting so like patchy and dry, and God knows I need a good face mask, and this looks perfect. So I'm very excited to try this out. So you guys will see with me how it feels. I'll let you know how it feels and if it's any good, because apparently it's good to brighten up your skin, and it's like a detox sort of thing for your skin. So it sounds perfect and just what I need right now after a long day. My makeup's off now, and as you can tell, my skin is very dehydrated. So I can't emphasize how excited I am. As you can tell, I'm very excited. I love the fact that it's vegan and cruelty free. Like, I'm all about that. So this is really good, because I'm all about the vegan life and the goodness in it. Again, it has like vitamin A, got vitamin E, it's got aloe vera inside, pomegranate. Oh my god, it's pink. Like, what the hell? I know the package was pink, but I didn't know this was gonna be pink. Perfect. A good face mask always has to smell good for me, so I'll let you know. I'm not even exaggerating. It smells like Nivea cream. If you like Nivea cream, then you'll love the smell of this. Impressed so far, guys. Impressed so far. Okay, I'm gonna pop that all over my skin. I'm gonna leave that on for 10 minutes, and then I will let you know what I think, and if my skin feels different or if I see any sort of difference at all, I will let you know. So see you guys in 10.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so I just finished washing my face and taking off the face mask. Oh my god, literally it does make your face look brighter. Look how bright my face looks. I can't emphasize how soft my face feels. It feels very soft, very smooth, very, I don't know, it's so bizarre. I really like it. Like, it's such a good face mask. I can't emphasize how good it makes my skin feel. Like, my skin feels actually really soft. All I'm gonna say is I am impressed. So well done, ALYA Skin, for a very good face mask. Like, I don't know about you guys, but I can see like a huge difference. I honestly can. I can see like how bright my skin looks, a lot brighter than I did before. Also, they were very kind enough to give you guys a 10% off. Just use the name Amina Chebbi, which is my name, in capitals, and you guys can get 10% off. So thank you so much, ALYA Skin, for that. Anyways, I better go now. Talk too much, don't I? Good morning, guys. Welcome back. Oh my god, I still have my morning voice on. That's so awkward. I'm just on the way, just dropped Adol to work, and I'm just stuck in traffic now. But I'm actually gonna go and pick up myself, I'm actually gonna go and get a drink from Chaiwala, because I'm so thirsty and I fancy Chaiwala this morning. And plus, we haven't got anything breakfasty at home, so yeah, I think I'm gonna go get myself some nice breakfast. Oh my god, that angle is crazy. Get myself some nice breakfast, head home, and then film a video, because I need to film a video today. Today's like Wednesday, that's kind of usually my upload day, so I need to go home and then start filming. Anyways, I better go. The light's changing. I don't know if you guys can see, but the traffic is insane. It's like going all the way all the way there, so I'm just like stuck in traffic per usual. This is Leicester for you guys. Okay, so just made it back in the car, got my chaiwala, very excited, very happy. Gonna drive home and have it at home because it's just so cold and dull outside, so I'd rather have it in the comfort of my own house, nice and chilled, and then I can start cracking with videos. So let's go home. Oh my god, guys, it just started raining like mad. It was so dangerous driving back home. Look at it. It doesn't even do it justice. It's just mad raining. Literally, guys, the best cheese wrap ever. Like, ever. So good. So good. So I'm just filming a video for you guys, and I'm just kind of in the middle of the video. So I just thought I'd give you guys a little heads up and just say hi. I am in the mix of the video, so don't judge the makeup how it looks right now. It's a challenge video, a very fun challenge video. So time this vlog goes up, if this video is already live, I'll leave a link down below for you guys to check out. But I just stopped the video because I'll put my lashes on, and I cannot by all means ever put fake lashes while I'm recording, because I have to get this close to the camera and I have to do the ugliest faces to put the eyelashes on. So yeah, I just thought I would say hi, and I'm filming after ages, which feels amazing. But yeah, oh my god, I just can't wait for this video to go live. It's so funny. Okay, so I just finished filming and I'm just about to edit because I need to upload this video for you guys today. So I'm so excited. It actually turned out a lot better than I initially thought it would, so I'm happy. A good productive day. It's 11:42 and I've actually got this really cute picture of me and Idol that we took on Snapchat a while ago. Cute, I love it, it's funky. Anyways, yeah, I'm just about to edit and I will probably speak to you guys later, so wish me good luck. This video is going to take forever. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to yet another vlog. I started this vlog and then my camera just kind of died on me, so this is me here again. I'm trying to refilm it because I just put you guys on charge, so you guys are fully charged now, so thank God for that. It's currently 11. I had like a kind of a slow start today, which was okay because sometimes you just need it, so it's fine. I dropped Adel to work, I had breakfast, I had like a nice shower, and then I just started to get ready, did my face, did my moisturizer and all that good stuff. I guess I'll just talk through my moisturizer and what I'm using currently, because I mean, why not? Because I know someone's gonna ask anyways. Sorry, is this too bright? I think it is too bright, but I can't pop you guys anywhere because it's just bright everywhere today, which I absolutely love. It's good to have a bit of sun, a bit of vitamin D, never hurt anyone. Anyways, for my eyes, eye serum, I'm using the Precious Gold eye serum from Christian Burton that looks like this, but nevertheless it's really good, and I've been using it underneath my eyes every single day before I put my concealer on, and it just leaves my concealer lasting a lot longer, and it doesn't crease or nothing like that at all. So really like it. I mean, it's not the cheapest eye serum, that's for sure. For moisturizer, I've recently been using the Body Shop Drops of Light moisturizer. It's like a pure brightening day cream and it looks like that, and I actually like it. The only downfall I would say about it is the fact that it can make your skin look a bit oily, so you'd have to leave it for a good couple of minutes till it actually sinks in. But yeah, it can keep your skin quite oily, I would say. I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows down actually because looking at the camera it looks quite crazy. So, and I'm using the Maybelline Brow Drama sculpting thingy majig. I'm just gonna brush them down because my eyebrows can be pretty crazy sometimes. On a roll this week, like I've been filming quite a lot, alhamdulillah, and like posting the videos pretty regular, so you're happy with that. So I'm on it like a car bonnet. But anyways, before I start rambling for too long, because I can just sit here and talk to you guys for ages, I'm gonna get on and start cracking on with my video because it's like just past 11 and I need to start filming and editing and then all that good stuff. So yeah, wish me good luck, guys. Also, I really want to go to the range today. I saw this like mirror. So this is what I'm saying, I get so distracted talking to you guys, I can just talk forever literally. Anyways, I was like browsing the internet yesterday because I couldn't really sleep much, like I just couldn't sleep at night. So I saw a big mirror. I've been looking for a really big mirror for my room for ages. As you can tell, I've got like a black mirror here behind me, and that's from the range as well. I think I bought it for like £30 or 35 like a couple of years ago, and I like it, but obviously it doesn't go with my whole room because my whole room is like white and like cream. so I want to get rid of that. And I saw this mirror in the range. It's called Sophia Lean 2 Mirror White, and it looks like this, and I quite like it actually, so I might go today and buy it, inshallah. It's only £80, which is actually so cheap for like a full length mirror that's really wide and stuff, so I can take like really nice outfit pictures for you guys. Finished filming. Yay! I always get so excited when I finish filming a video. Oh my god, wait, is there like lipstick on my teeth? No, I don't think so. Anyways, yeah, just finished filming, as you guys can see from the background. Anyways, I'm gonna start cracking on with editing because I got a bunch of editing to do. I gotta edit this vlog that you guys are currently watching. I gotta edit that video. I gotta schedule. I've got a bunch of emails to catch up on. Welcome back to a Thursday with Amina. But I'm like craving a Starbucks. I'm craving like a caramel macchiato so bad right now. Like I really want one right now. I don't know, should I go get one actually? Because like I really want one.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I'm done, I'm ready, I'm gonna head out and I'm gonna get my caramel. No, it's not caramel, it is caramel macchiato. That's what I'm gonna get from Starbucks. So I've worked hard today. I've filmed the video, edited the video, scheduled it for Sunday, inshallah. I am ready to go and treat myself and get a nice caramel macchiato. So let's go. That's it. We got the mirror. It's so huge. I don't know how the hell it fit in our car. And plus, good luck to us because we're gonna have to take that all the way up there. But damn, it's a massive mirror, bigger than expected, that's for sure. Guys, so here it is. This is my mirror. You can see it in a better perspective in the daylight. So this is kind of how it looks as a whole. I am obsessed. I love it. It looks so nice in my room. Oh my god, this is a mess, but ignore this bit. I need to organize that. But yeah, this is how it looks. I really like it. It goes with like my room theme being like cream and white or whatever, but I love it. It's so good. But yeah, happy Friday, guys. I am just gonna have my breakfast. It's 8:30. Just about to have my breakfast and then start editing the weekly vlog. So wish me good luck, guys, because it's gonna be. Hi guys, how are you guys doing? It's been a while since I last spoke to you guys. I've just been sitting here editing. I just finished editing my weekly vlog. Obviously it took me so long to edit the weekly vlog. There was so much footage just to film. But yeah, I'm just about to take some outfit pictures with this outfit. You guys will see with my new mirror, so look out for that. That post will be up on Instagram. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you guys do. It's Amina.Chebbi. So I'm gonna start taking like loads of outfit pictures and stuff. So that's what I'm about to do. Take pictures and then make some lunch and then probably head out in a bit. But yeah. Outfits now. I've finished editing. I feel good. I feel positive. Happy days. But yeah, I'm gonna start taking some pictures and I will see you guys. So I just made it to town and look who I'm with. Oh, this one. Dripping. Don't do that. But yeah, just literally made it to town and she rang me and I was like having my lunch. So I actually was so cute and I packed it up. So I'm actually gonna have my salad. It's just my typical halloumi salad that you guys know that I'm obsessed with. So I'm just gonna munch that now while she gets changed. I'm not naked. She's not naked, but she's taking my work top off. So yeah, I've got like avocado, halloumi, croutons. I don't like croutons, those bread things, isn't it? I bought some, yeah, because I made a salad for work. Yeah. God knows why, I was trying to be healthy for once. Yeah, and then it just didn't taste nice. It would go soggy after a while if you... Yeah, for long, if you leave it for long. Yeah. But if you have it straight away, it's like so crunchy. Yeah, I guess it'd be nicer then. Yeah. Because I make it overnight, or in the morning, isn't it? Then by the time I have it. Yeah, we're going to nip into town because I really want to look for the Revolution concealers and see if they have it. Because when I went to Foss Park, they didn't. So fingers crossed they have it here. Yeah, they should. I really hope, because they had all the darker colours and obviously not my shade. Oh, so fingers crossed they have it. Then I can do the review for you guys, which I'm so excited about. But hopefully they have it first. Then we'll speak. Yeah. We're in the car park. Yeah, trust me. We're in the car park. We're now just gonna nip out, and I'll see you guys in town.